Assalamualaikum guys, today I will show you how to download Minecraft Mod APK on Android. So at first open your Chrome browser, then search for Android Palace, then open the website, then search for Minecraft, then you will see the Minecraft APK mode, download it, scroll down, then click on direct download Mod APK file, then click on download. Then it will start downloading. So I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. So I will just, and I had already downloaded it, so I will open it. As you can see, it is done successfully. So then I will open it. So you can see the game is started. Then start crafting. And break some wood. Can't break wood, I need things. So that was today's episode. If you like this episode,
Guys, if you like
video,
this video, then make sure to like, share and subscribe.